point yetu mahika kwi nyuko ruko onu rienda no mwitere nero basamale owe tusava yo lishana mutima na kama hika bano mungaga yipo
Ebyona bibiri hizo bajyanye mwabazyo ahari kitariki bi mixed farm erukushangwa umucyari cyakinyabakazi umutabonekaso ya muhocha kandi rweyongerayo okwicara kimwe umugomborere ya muhocha ahuze fa mubingwa uri umuhezi wa RDC ahabwa busongora erukushangwa mu district ya Kasese ubwa yebembirwe na polisi okurga harwenzori East Regional Police bagenzire hamwe okubasa kugira ngo bakabasa kubana bibikikanisa utabanguko obire bwaza hagati y'abaturage aba.
Last week we agreed with the community that we do the boundary opening today the 15th of January 2024. So I just came to flag off the exercise of boundary opening. Good enough, the community and the community presented the surveyor, independent surveyor, and then office also sanctioned another surveyor, the main one conducting the boundary opening, and we have also involved the district officials in charge of land.
Omurimo Okwigura ensharo guresire haki y'umucero hamwe n'akashashamaro omu baturage kandi aba babire bebembirwe mukuru w'entebe yo kubanza ahabwe cyaro ecya kinyabakazi Lawrence Bwambare kandi aba bizire nibebuze bibuzo nyamwinji ahamituma yabo ubwo barukwebuza barukugira ngo nikije kita okushanga ngo itaka ero batwiremo kumara imyaka 20 ubwahati rumundi genda kuterwe mpungu ezo batarakumanya na
We are wondering how they could have reached it when these people were there and they never informed them. So it's great that people have discovered that they are living on a land which has title under someone's name whom they had never heard of.
Bwambale nashobora kugira ngo ubwa hata abaturage aba abicyaro icyaro kwebembera tibine muhanda gona ubwo kubasa kutora mu bwa nyuma yitakeri ryaba ryahereze kutwarwa nuko kushaba abantu aba abakitariki bi mixed farm okugira ngo babase kubana barugayo bashabe government okubashumbusha.
I don't think my people would be accepting to leave land which they have stayed on for some time. Maybe those who seem to be claiming the land title, they can only maybe thinking of compensating the tenants, or I should call them occupants of the land. Or else they can maybe go to government, then they compensate. Government should compensate them actually. I don't see any reason why they should again cause displacement of people.
Kitaliki bi mixed farm limited etwire ryo mu manja hamwe n'abaturage aba okurwa mwaka gwa rukumo rwenda 9 hamwe n'umuturage lewo bitanihirwa kandi aba bakabasa kubane betwaho omumbuga zeberagiro na Rishikoti ngukongo mu mwaka wa 2016 Chief Magistrate owa Kasese George Mfitondinda Magistrate Grade 1 akabasa kubana arugayo kandi yashara umushangogo konka yagwiha ari Kitaliki bi mixed farm limited.
This land has been in the courts of law so many times. It was between Leo Bitanihirwe and Chitarichibi. So twice Chitarichibi has gone to court with Leo and found himself losing. So later on, the people who were fighting died. The old men, they passed on. So the children and the grandchildren are the ones now who sat and said, now we can agree.
Oto ndiyo mujenyi okurugo muri Kitaliki bi mixed farm limited ogunashobora kugira ngo nabwe byona birabe nibyijaho ngo konkita karyabo rigine chapa.
This is a scientific matter. It is not a matter that you can only simply say this is my land, this is my land. Then we said Chitarichibi has a title. And this is why we are here opening the title. Whoever is on the land has to raise a lot of alarm. That one is expected. But the truth of the matter is the land has a title, and that is what I can actually offer.
So they came to our office presenting the court documents and asking that they want to enter their land. So as the regulations are, we held a district security committee meeting And that district security committee meeting recommended on boundary opening first, the first boundary opening, to ascertain where the land is, and of course know the boundaries of the land.
Superintendent of Police Luka Mbusa kandi okora nk'omugambirizi wa polisi ahabwa icyanga icya Rwenzori East ogunasha abaturage okugira ngo bagume bintu bucurera obutebekana hamwe n'obusinge obwo kucunga umushango ogu kwabana kugenda mu misho.
You know, when there is anything and you want to know the truth, you need to go in a legal way, a way of being advised. I have this problem, how do I handle it? And then you go to such people so that we don't be as if we are land grabbers. Oh, people are grabbing land. No, we want people to remain in harmony. This exercise